Is it working that? Testing, is it working? You'll have to stop the video. Right guys, having problems with my audio. So I'm looking a bit silly with a microphone and no sound. Anyway, this is a job I laid back in 2022. The customer decided she wanted to have a quote for a clean and reseal. So this is me cleaning it and resealing it. So I'm jet washing it all down to get it all clean, all the dirt and the muck out. It's not an expensive job. A lot of people sort of feel a bit daunting having the driveway cleaned and resealed. It's usually roughly about 10% of the price of what the driveway originally was. Obviously you've got to take into consideration inflation and the price of oil's gone up, so that's playing an impact at the moment. But yeah, it's a fraction of a price of getting a driveway done. So if you maintain them, your driveway will last. The reason I mention oil is because we actually use an oil-based sealant to seal your imprint concrete driveways as well as your block paving driveways. There is cheaper products on the market. There's water-based ones, but whether you get the same effect, well, I'll leave that up to your judgment. Right, so I'm on with the sprayer now, and I'm starting to spray the oil-based sealant on. It's an acrylic-based sealant, it's what we use. You can brush it on if you're going to do it yourself as a DIYer. I wouldn't brush it on too thick like. Sometimes we will brush it on if it's a brand new drive that we've installed. Really sort of depends on what pattern, how deep the pattern is, to how we do it really. Anyway, I'll leave you with me spraying this drive, and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you like a quote, then get in touch. I'll be gone in a couple of hours like. It's just sealant. Yeah. I'll be gone in a couple of hours like. It's just sealant. Yeah.